The opening soundtrack conveys the intimacy between the boy and the horse. If you listen closely, you will also find a little horse breath. The next track will play right before Nikhil's entry. It'll also play after he leaves the doctor's cabin with the nurse. Might have a nice interlude between the boy and the nurse for this track. The next track will play right before Anand's dream plays out. The next track is borrowed from the first set. This plays to capture Nikhil's mother's anxiety before Anand the psychiatrist visits her at home for the first time. The next track captures the uneasy feeling the psychiatrist comes back with after his visit to Nikhil's parents' house. This is also the track that plays to Nikhil's nightmare. The following track will be used throughout the play in sections to convey Anand the psychiatrist's increasing involvement with the case and the progress he is making with the case.